guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kajal Madnani and I am a nail tech and I own a nail salon in Vadodara called Love My Nails. So today we are going to talk about things you should know before becoming a nail tech in India. Being a nail tech is not just about painting or putting an art over a natural nail base. It is also about understanding your client's nail structure and type of nail that you're going to work and adapt your techniques according to it. It is also about creating a perfect base, correct application, shaping and filing techniques that will lay a perfect base for you to then create a perfect clean polish and also a nice artwork on that base. So you need to learn all of these things in order to be a great nail tech. So let's talk about the education part. It is extremely important for you to get a proper education and proper practice before starting your nail art business or becoming a nail tech in India. So you can get education in two forms in India. So basically you can go to an institute or you can go to a nail salon or nail artist. So when we talk about institute, there you can get a lot of theoretical knowledge. You can also get a practice, but the downside to it is that the person who is teaching you over there, he hasn't been working in a business form and he has been teaching there since a long period of time. So he might not have the practical knowledge regarding the nails and as well as the business part of it. Whereas if you go to a salon, the person who is teaching you over there has been dealing with clients on everyday basis. They have more of a practical knowledge because they are doing nails on a regular basis. Plus they also follow up to the upcoming trends and what is going on in the market on a regular basis because that's what they have to deal with. So more probably I would suggest you to go to a salon or a nail artist to learn such kind of services. So becoming a nail tech is a really easy process and it is for anyone and everyone. It is a very short course, plus you do not have to invest a lot of money. From learning to starting your business, it will cost you around 50 to 60,000, which is a very negligible amount to start a business from your home. As soon as you finish the course, you can start earning from day one at the comfort of your home. You can provide services at a local level or you can sell press-on nails across India. It is a great opportunity for young women, housewives and young moms who cannot leave their home for a job. You can earn at the ease of your home with freedom of when to work and when not to work. By becoming a nail tech, you get to build your own identity, plus you earn way more than doing a conventional 9-to-5 job. You guys can buy these products easily from a local dealer or dealers across India. The main product that you'll be using is gel polish, which ranges from 200 rupees a bottle to 1000 rupees a bottle. Initially, you can start your business with a range of 20 shades, in which you can have 4 to 5 nude shades, 2 to 3 reds, 2 to 3 pinks, few glitters like gold, silver, rose gold, etc. And then rest you can fill up using other colors like green, blue, yellow, purple, browns, which are used frequently. The main tools that you will need are the lamp, UV LED lamp and e-drill. You can also buy these products ranging from 800 rupees per piece to 3 to 4000 rupees per piece, depending on the quality and the size of the product. So when you become a nail tech, be ready to work for long period of time, because some services might take 2.5 hours, some services might take 1.5 hours, and plus the art part of it, you need a lot of patience to first of all cultivate that skill of being an artistic person and to create that kind of art. No matter if you're copying it from the like you're taking in inspiration from some artist and you're copying their style, but still you need a lot of patience to become and work as a nail artist. Marketing is an equally important aspect of business that you need to take care of. You can use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google to market your business. You can post regularly like photos, stories, reels, etc. to promote your business, or you can also use their paid feature like paid ads, etc. to promote your business to your followers and also to people who don't follow you. If you would want me to elaborate on any of these topics, comment down in our comment section. Like and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such content. Bye.